I'm here with my Nostalgia MyMini Skillet, and today I'm making oatmeal. Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem. I want some oatmeal for breakfast, so I'm going to try making it with this Nostalgia MyMini Skillet. This is also known as the Nostalgia MyMini Skillet and Noodle Cooker. I am using this pot that I purchased at World Market yesterday because it'll hold more than the pot that actually comes with this appliance. I'm using rolled oats, and I measured out half a cup of rolled oats. And the packaging says to add 3/4 cup of water. I should also mention the bag says these are sprouted rolled oats. So these might be a little bit different than regular rolled oats. It says for rich organic oatmeal and hearty whole grain baking. Their directions are also a little bit different. It says in a medium pot, bring water and salt to a boil. Then add sprouted oats, reduce heat to low, and cover with the lid slightly tilted. Simmer for 10 minutes for oatmeal with a hearty chew, or cook up to 14 minutes for a soft and tender oatmeal. I'm used to just putting everything in a pot and starting from there, so that's what I did. Instead of boiling the water first, I'm letting the oats and the water come up to a boil together. I just added some slippery elm powder. This is just like an herbal supplement that I like to add to oatmeal. It helps to detoxify the digestive system. I mean, oatmeal is full of fiber to begin with, but I find that slippery elm really helps to absorb toxins from the body and help to eliminate them. So it can be very useful for those purposes. It also can be very soothing to the digestive system. It's been 6 minutes now, and the oatmeal has come up to a simmer. It's nice and thick already. This is my first time cooking sprouted rolled oats. They were on sale at a local organic market recently, which is why I picked them up. I'm going to put the cover back on. This is a loose fitting cover because it's not the cover that comes with this pot. This pot does not come with the cover. This is the cover that comes with the appliance. I'm going to let this continue to cook for a few more minutes. It's been another 2 minutes. Let's open this up. Okay, I can feel it starting to stick to the bottom of the pot a little bit. To me, these look nice and thick, and I'm going to say that they're done. I'm going to remove this pot from the appliance. The handle does get really hot. Here's the bottom of the pot after I took the oatmeal out, so it's not too bad. Here's my oatmeal. I'm adding just a little bit of salt, and I'm going to add some cinnamon. And I'm putting a lot of blueberries on top. I have a bunch of blueberries in my refrigerator that I need to use before they go bad, so let me taste this before I add anything else. Let's see what's going on here. I don't know if I would necessarily know that it tastes different than regular oatmeal. I'm going to add some maple syrup, and I also added some butter. I'm just going to stir all this together. And this is a very cheap but hearty breakfast. This is going to set me up really nicely for this morning. I've already had some water and some apple juice, so I've been hydrating. All right, let's try some more of the oatmeal. Delicious. I would say for the amount of time that I cook this oatmeal, it still has a hearty chew to it. It's not just complete mush that you don't need to chew. So this was a good amount of time for that. If someone does like a softer or more tender oatmeal, this would need to be cooked longer. And so that's how you can make oatmeal with this Nostalgia MyMini Skillet and Noodle Cooker. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see what else we can make with this mini appliance. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.